In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a domain and update the DNS settings if needed. This process is essential if you're looking to migrate your website, change service providers, or simply clean up your domain management list. Let's dive in and make this process as straightforward as possible. First, you'll want to log into your domain management dashboard. This could be through a registrar like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or any other service you're using to manage your domains. Once you're logged in, browse around and locate the section that deals with domain settings. This section might have different labels depending on your platform. Looking for something like domain list or my domains is usually a safe bet. Click on your desired domain to get started. Now that you've navigated to the settings page for your chosen domain, the next thing you should see is a series of options like DNS settings, domain forwarding, and so on. Find the option that allows you to manage or edit settings specific to the domain name itself. In some cases, this will be under an Advanced Settings tab, but it may vary depending on the provider. When you're in the domain settings area, you'll need to locate the Remove Domain option. Deleting or removing a domain will differ depending on your provider. Some might have a clearly labeled button that says Remove Domain or Delete Domain. It could also be hidden in a drop-down menu or require you to confirm your action through a pop-up window. Before proceeding, make sure you genuinely want to remove the domain, as this action can't be undone easily. Removing a domain from your control or list means that all associated settings will be forgotten. This means email forwarding, website hosting pointers, and anything else tied to the domain will cease to work. If you're absolutely sure, go ahead and confirm the removal. Take into account that you might be prompted to input additional verification details like codes sent to your email or your account's password to ensure it's really you making this change. Once you've confirmed the removal of your domain, the final step is updating its DNS settings if needed. In situations where you're transferring the domain to another provider, for example, you might have to reconfigure DNS settings to ensure smooth functionality. While some services handle DNS updates automatically, others may require a manual touch. To update DNS settings, navigate to your domain's DNS settings page, which could be located in the same section you previously visited. Make changes only if this process is necessary, often involving updating the name servers to match those provided by your new hosting or domain provider. It's advised to keep a record of current and desired settings so you can revert back easily if needed. That's pretty much it. You've successfully removed a domain and learned when you might